In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Confluence. We'll walk through opening your browser, navigating to the right address, and signing in safely so you can get to your team's pages without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser works well, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If possible, make sure it's up to date. This helps Confluence load smoothly and keeps your connection secure. If your company requires a VPN, go ahead and connect before you continue. Next, enter the URL in the address bar. Confluence lives at a unique address for each organization. The format looks like this: https:/yourcompany.atlassian.net/wiki. Replace your company with your organization's subdomain. Be sure to type it directly into the address bar rather than a search box to avoid landing on the wrong page. And watch out for typos. This link will take you straight to your company's Confluence home. If you don't know your exact URL, there's a quick way to find it. Go to startatlassian.com and log in using your work account. That dashboard lists all Atlassian products linked to your email, including every Confluence site you can access. It's a handy fallback if you're new or if your company recently changed domains. Once you're in, you can select the Confluence option from the left panel to open it instantly. When the sign-in page appears, enter your work email address. Many organizations use single sign-on, so after entering your email, you might be redirected to your company's login page. Just follow the prompts you usually follow at work. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so you can complete the sign-in without delay. If you logged in through startatlassian.com earlier, you'll typically be taken right through to Confluence after picking it from the left panel. After you're in, you should land on your Confluence space or dashboard. To save time next time, bookmark your company's Confluence URL in your browser. That way, you can open your browser and jump right in with a single click. And if you switch between multiple Confluence sites, the Atlassian Start page remains the best hub to see them all in one place. That's all you need to access Confluence quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.